last class we discussed direction ratios and direction vectors. So direction ratios and direction cosines of a vector. Now today we will discuss very important theorem for 3 mark part C, and application is also important for entrance. That is section formula. Take a take. Section formula. Section formula. Important concept. Yes. We have already studied about this section formula in where first PUC, two-dimensional geometry, straight lines, right? If the point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio. What is the ratio? AB parts is to PB parts. AB is to PB. P is going to divide the segment AB in the ratio AB is to PB. In what ratio? That is M is to N. And here A is what? X1, Y1. And you can take Z1 also. If you take Z1, first here 3D geometry. Distance formula, next to section formula derivation, right? Next P is other end of the segment, that is X2, Y2, Z2. Don't write anything, just listen. We want the coordinates of the point P, that is the section formula, right? What are the coordinates of the point P? Tell me. M into X2, we already derived this in first PUC, 3D geometry, right? Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N. Next, replace X with Y, we get that Y coordinate. What is the Y coordinate? M by 2 plus N by 1 by M plus N. Next, replace Y with Z, we get the Z coordinate, that is Mz2 plus Nz1 by M plus N. By M plus N. This is the section formula. When the point P is going to divide the line segment AB in the ratio M is to N internally. What is the meaning of internally? P lies in between somewhere. Right? What is the meaning of externally? This is the segment AB. P lies on the extended line segment of AB, the right hand side or left hand side. In that case, what is the section formula? You tell me. Minus, right? Mx2 minus Nx1 by M minus N. We will also get the minus. This is the section formula in 3D geometry. 2D geometry only x coordinate and y coordinate. That's it. Right. We are deriving section formula in vectors. In vector. See. Don't write what is the statement. I will state also, right? See. The point here in place of P, we are going to take R. If the point P divides, the point P cuts, divides the line segment PQ, this end is the P, and this another end of the segment is Q. So this point R divides the line segment PQ in the ratio M is to N, PR is to RQ. That is what? M is to N internally, because R in between somewhere, not exactly equal distances from P and Q. If these two distances are equal, then R is called what? Then R is called what? Middle point of the segment. That we will see after the derivation of the section formula. See, the point R divides the line segment PQ in the ratio M is to N internally. Then section formula for what? This one. Coordinates of section dividing point. P divides the segment. Here R divides the segment. So the position vector of R. The position vector of R means O R bar. So O R bar is R bar. So here formula, section formula for what? P. Here section formula for what? Not R. It's position vector. What is the position vector of R? O R bar. That is what? R bar is equal to C. Here our point P is there, means we can write its position vector. What is the position vector of the point P? OP bar. OP bar. Let it be A bar. Vectors denoted by small letter with an arrow over it. Yes, next. Your Q is there in space or plane. Then we can define its position vector. What is the position vector of the point Q? That is OQ bar. Y is the fixed. Y is the fixed. This PQR lies in the space, right? OQ bar. Let it be B bar. B bar. Then the position vector here, A is x1 y1 z1, B x2 y2 z2. Then what is the section formula for P? This one, coordinates of P. Here, not coordinates. Coordinates only, but we will represent in coordinates in vector form. How? X into I cap plus Y into J cap plus Z into K cap. Right? Tell me. So what is the position vector of R bar? Same. M into like this. M into x2, then into x1 like this. M into Q, OQ bar means its position vector. M into B bar plus N into A bar by M plus N by M plus N. This one and this one both are same. Both are same. How? See. P is the point. Then its position vector is what? OB1. That is A1. Point is what? X1, Y1, Z1. That is x2, y2, z2, q. P is x1, y1, z1. What is its position vector? OB bar. That is what? A bar. What is A bar? Position vector of the point P. x1, y1, z1. Representation vector. Tell me. x1 I cap plus y1 j cap, z1 k cap. In the similar way, what is OQ bar? First, where is Q? Second point x2, y2, z2. Alright? Its position vector is OQ bar. We have given name. What is the position vector of the point Q? That is B bar. What is B bar? Position vector of Q. Point is there. Then we can express as vector. Tell me. X2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. Right? This A bar and B bar. Substitute here. Then it will M into B bar. What is B bar? x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap plus n into A bar. What is A bar? x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap by m plus n. Vector plus vector. Vector. That means we are going to apply triangle of addition of the vectors. For the meaning of the tell me. First we add corresponding scalar component. First we multiply this one with m. Scalar multiplication of vector n. See m x2 here plus n x1 into what? I cap. By what? We will write scalar components. These are scalar components. M x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. Next what? y2 with m. M y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Next one. M z2 plus n z1 by m plus n. Both are same, but here we will write numericals. That means scalars. Here we will express the same formula in vectors. Scalar components along with vectors. Vector components. That is the difference. Because topic is vector algebra. Topic is vector algebra, but is not given points. Just we know the see. What is the statement? If the point R divides the line segment joining P and Q in the ratio m is to n internally, then its position vector of the point R, the position vector of the point R is R bar is equal to m into B bar plus n into A bar by m plus n. M plus n. Right on. Statement. Section formula. Section formula. Statement. Don't draw the figure. Wait. Time is there. Write down. Clearly write down the statement. Statement. If the point is going to divide the segment. No, tell me. The point. No, tell me. What is that point? R. Capital R. Is the point R divides the line segment joining P and Q in the ratio that is there. This point R is going to divide the line segment joining P and Q in the ratio M is to N internally. M is to N internally. Then the position vector of the position vector of R is yes, then the position vector of the point R is this one is OR bar is equal to, what is the position vector of the point R? OR bar is what? R bar, that is equal to M into B bar plus N into A bar by M plus N. That is the statement. Yes, next. Proof. Next, proof. Once you check this statement, if the point R divides the line segment joining P and Q in the ratio, dividing in what ratio? In the ratio M is to N internally, which is internal, M is to N internally, then the position vector of the point R is R bar is equal to, what is the formula? M into B bar plus N into A bar by M plus N. This is the statement. Yes, next, proof. Right on. This derivation is also important. Many times repeated in annual exam. And application is important for entrance. Right. First, proof. Given information, let us given data. Right and clear. Given that the point R divides the line segment what? PQ, right? Not all. Line segment PQ in the ratio M is to N internally, right there. M is to N internally. Next, and A bar comma B bar be the, tell me, what is A bar? Position vector of the point P. What is direction like this? Why? Because Y is the fixed point of directions from O. So B bar be the position vector of the point Q. So let it both written. So A bar and B bar be the position vectors of A and B respectively. Very clear. And small a bar vectors denoted by the small letter with an arrow over it, right? So and A bar comma B bar be the position vectors of the points P and Q. Sorry, here A and B letter. No, not A and B. No segment. Segment. What are the ends of the segment? Not A, B, P, Q. Yes. With the position vectors of P and Q respectively. P and Q respectively. Yes. Therefore, OP bar is equal to what? A bar. OQ bar is equal to what? B bar. OQ bar is equal to B bar. Yes. Next up, right hand side of the page, you draw the segment. Right hand side of the page, you draw the segment. See, this is the point R. One end of the segment P, another end of segment Q. The position vector, so P, OQ, OR. A bar, this is B bar, and this R bar is the position vector of the point R. And this R dividing the segment PQ in the ratio M is to N. M parts is to N parts. Right? Next. Clearly, see, the point R is going to divide the segment. In what ratio? PR. PR parts is to R. Right on that one. PR is to ratio. Is to PR is to RQ. Point R is going to divide PR is to RQ. In what ratio? Given that ratio is also M is to N. See, what's the meaning of ratio? Comparison. Comparison, right? That means PR by RQ is equal to M is to N. Ratio, nothing but comparison, right? Next one, cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, we get that N into PR is equal to M into RQ. The very important thing in this step is here you write on bar. Here you write on bar. Don't write here bar. PR bar by RQ bar. Why? Because plus minus into. That means addition, difference, and multiplication of vectors possible. Multiplication nothing but what? Two types. One is the dot product, scalar product, and another one is the vector product, cross product that we will discuss in later next class. But vectors does not satisfy the division, right? Division of vectors not possible in fact. That is why don't write PR bar here, simply write on segments. But here we can write this is the scalar multiplication of the vector. This is also scalar multiplication of the vector. No problem. This here we can define that is we will write bar here. Don't write here. Yes, next that implies N into see PR bar. We have already completed. AB bar can be written as position vector of the terminal. That is AB bar minus position vector of the initial. That's the formula, right? In the similar way, what is PR bar? First position vector of the terminal. What is the terminal point R? What is the position vector of R? OR bar minus what is the position vector of the initial P? That is OP bar is equal to M into RQ bar. RQ bar can be written as position vector of the terminal. What is the terminal here? Q. What is its position vector? OQ bar minus position vector of the initial. What is initial point R? What is the position vector of R? OR bar. Yes, that implies N into OR bar. Yes, OR bar nothing but what? Small r bar. Vector is there. Next, minus OP bar. What is OP bar? A bar is equal to M into OQ bar. What is OQ bar? B bar minus OR bar. What is OR bar here? R bar. Next, this is scalar multiplication of a vector. Tell me, N into R bar minus N into A bar. Let to distributive property. Next, plus is there similarly. Next, M into B bar minus M into R bar. Next, M into R bar here minus M R bar can be written as will be changed as M plus M R bar plus M R bar. That is equal to what is the remaining value on left hand side, right hand side of the equation? M E bar. On left hand side, what is the remaining value? Minus NA bar. Minus NA bar will be changed as plus NA bar. Plus NA bar. Now, again property. This can be written as R bar of N plus M actually. N plus M. Nothing but M plus M. No problem. That is equal to as it is MB bar plus NA bar. Possible to observe the board? Bottom of the board? Yes, possible. Therefore, R bar is equal to M into B bar plus N into A bar by M plus N. That's it. Write down very clearly. This is the derivation, simple derivation, but for 3 marks. Half percentage 3 marks. Written right. OP bar is equal to A bar, OPQ bar is equal to B bar, and you draw this one figure right side of the page. Yes, arrow mark is very important. Position vector of P R Q. Direction from fixed point. What is the fixed point here? O. What is the fixed point? Yes, next item. Clearly, ratio given. PR is to RQ is equal to how much? M is to N. Ratio, nothing but comparison, right? 5. So PR by RQ is equal to M by N. Next, cross multiplication. N into PR is equal to M into RQ actually, but here we will write bars. Don't write bar here. Division of vectors not possible, but here scalar multiplication of vector possible. You can write bar here, no problem. Just tell me next. N into what is PR bar? We can represent any vector in the position vector. How? Position vector of the terminal minus position vector of the emission. That means OR bar minus OP bar is equal to M into RQ bar can be written as OQ bar minus OR bar. Next, substitute the values. Yes, M into what is OR bar? R bar minus OP bar. What is OP bar? A bar is equal to M into what is OQ bar? FB bar minus what is OR bar? What is OR bar? R bar. Next, scalar multiplication of vector multiply. And like terms right on one side. Take R bar as common. Then we will get R bar. That is what? MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N. Right now very clearly. This is the section formula. This is the section formula, hence proved. Right now, possible to observe the board. This climax here, right on R bar. Derivation proof. And then what? This is the section formula. One more line. What? Hence proved. Hence proved. This is internal division. If the point R divides same line segment externally, that we will see next class. That one and middle point formula. Then immediately we can start the exercise. So you should be very thorough in all the concepts which we are already completed along with first exercise. Then only you can digest remaining all the remaining four exercises, please. Weightage of this vector or income almost 11 marks. Board 3 CET bits from this topic. See, CET exam of 6 3 bits from this topic. 11 marks means almost 2%. Almost 2%.